Hi, this is King Dave for Beatclass.com. I know it's been a long time and I have been super busy. So I really don't have a lot of time, but I really enjoy music production. I really enjoy helping others. So I'm created a thing called short shots, and I'm going to give you a short shot that will help improve your mixing, your writing, your songwriting, your production, whatever it is you're trying to do in music. These short shots will alter your game. We're going to focus on game-changing things. So sit back, enjoy. Welcome to the party. So today we're going to focus on a simple technique that can make your music sound way better than you thought it would. And this is called routing. Routing makes a big difference in how your sound ends up ultimately. Is it going to be flat? Is it going to sound like you have dimension to your music, or is it just one dimensional and flat right in front of your face? Take a good listen to this hook. I'll play a little bit of the intro, okay? And then you can we'll go piece by piece on how I got it to this level. Here we go. Okay, let's talk about this real quick. It's all in the routing, all right? So you'll notice that here are my two vocals, and these are the main vocals right here. So the main vocals are those two voices that you hear on either side of your ears, right? And they sound like this. I'll just go ahead and highlight it. Now, the traditional way to do this is just to send it out to the stereo out, right? But the reason why that's not enough is because you really won't be able to process it correctly and add dimension if you don't have some kind of bus system that you're using, right? So the first thing we did is I routed this to bus 11. And on bus 11 here, you can see I added a de-esser and a compressor, right? And that compressor adds kind of a pumping effect on the vocals. So it's allowing that sound to push through the rest of the music, right? But at the end of that bus 11, that's where I stereo out. So I give it no out. I set it to no output. So now my new output is bus 11. I always label everything and color it the same color. This is hook vocals. And then I ran to another bus 5, and this gives me my depth, the color. This gives me my reverb. So this is just a reverb bus, and again, I finish it out with a compressor because you don't want the reverb overtaking the main vocal. And then finally, I went to bus 6, and bus 6 is another compressor, but this is also this gives me a saturation. So I've got saturation, I've got reverb, I've got de-esser, so that all of the sibilance is gone. And then I have compressor, finishing everything out, and that is also run to a stereo out. Now you're gonna get more signal. Anytime you create buses, you're gonna get increased signal because it's like you're making a copy of that track. So we'll have to reduce some of that signal as it's coming out of those buses. Now you'll hear it again. Now let's give it a comparison, right? Let's just imagine I put stereo out on both of these, right? And I'll turn off all my buses. You can hear the difference right away. Okay, here we go. Let's add in the music. Now, to some that might sound good, but now let's listen back to the way we had it, right? All right, now I'm going to play the effects just by themselves so you can hear that. So that's going to be bus 11, bus 5, and bus 6. Okay, so this has been a short shot by Beatclass.com. If you want more tips and tricks, go to Beatclass.com, become a member, learn more about music production, not just about software itself. That helps, but you really need to understand audio itself. Thanks a lot. King Dave, Beatclass.com. It's supposed to sound like a little bit of